All right, before we get into this video, I'm gonna let you know that it's gonna be kind of spotty. I bought a new GoPro and it lost a lot of my footage. I actually went to review the footage and it was all gone. The GoPro's been having issues. It's brand new, it's the GoPro 9, and I absolutely hate it. It looks nice, but I'm not happy with it. So the video is gonna be kind of all over the place. Don't mind that, it's a good video. So we'll get into it. All right, so today, Scotidi kit's going on a 2000 Mustang. My buddy Daniel's going drifting with us. He actually ordered this kit. I got rid of my Mustang. I told him to get this kit because it's the one I really wanted. Being an engineered kit, he put a lot of time and thought in this kit, and it works really good from what I've seen. So we're gonna give it a shot, put it on today, and see what it can do. But first, we gotta hang our banner from my buddy Savio at Drift HQ. He left me a banner in a package, so we're gonna hang this bad boy up. All right, so we're all tore down. I'm actually taking that set and I'm gonna do a video on making cut knuckles and maybe extending the control arm, I'm not sure yet. We'll do that for my buddy Anthony's car. But yeah, both front bolts on the lower control arms were seized. Took a torch, heated up the threads after I took the nut off. Oh, you can see it's still smoking. Got it hot enough to break the rust free and come right out. So I guess now we're gonna get the kit put together and start putting it on. So now what we're gonna do is clearance our K-member. I'm probably gonna come down here, pretty much frame. You just need to kind of cut it as close as you can, flush with the frame, because your wheel hits this pretty hard with the angle. So this is where your K-member bolts to your frame. So right in front of that, I'm just gonna try to go up through here and then probably whack it here. Might go get the plasma cutter out for this. I could use a Sawzall, but I got brake lines here and plasma cutter would be a lot quicker, and I haven't used it in a while, so we'll go break it out. So we got it clearanced. It don't look the best, but hey, that was quick work. Plasma cutter worked good. So now we shouldn't have any problem hitting, because usually it hits right around that area. So I took it all the way up and around. So we're good now. Time to get the arms on. All right, so now I'm gonna take the arms, go put them on. We gotta get our bolts out. Nope, right here. Comes with new hardware, so that's nice. Our spacers. And then it's got our steering stop. All right, so we got the angle kit done. We took it out last night. It's a whole nother day. We got tired last night putting this on, but it's another day. We took it out last night and done a couple donuts. And as you can see, the car doesn't have a welded diff. It's still got a damn limited slip in it. So that is limiting the angle because the car won't kick out. So we're gonna get it in here now, get the diff welded up, and we're gonna get the alignment done because I eyeballed it. I mean, it does have a lot of camber. That's because the lower controls are 2 inches longer than the stocks. So we pulled some of the camber out with the damn coilovers. So I'm gonna get it on the lift now and do an alignment. All right, so I got the diff welded up in it. I'm about to raise it up because it's actually hitting the inner fenders pretty hard. It doesn't look that bad right there, but it's like on the tire. As soon as you turn the wheel, the car drops on one side and it starts to hit the inner fenders. It's actually got the bumper coming off. So I'm gonna raise it up and I might have to trim the front inner fender. Well, as you can see, we got a lot of angle now. So I guess I'm gonna kick it around in this parking lot a little bit and just try to transition back and forth just to see if I can feel a difference, which I already do just driving it. But I just won't get into that. Well, as you can see, the car does work. I tried my best to spin this car out, and at that time I did loop around. That's because I hit third gear, and it just lost all its wheel speed. But I was able to clutch kick it a couple of times and get it back up to speed. But thing rips. So I'm very excited to see my buddy Daniel take it out. I'm gonna have to rip it around Piedmont one time just to see what it can do, just to see what I was missing out on. As you can see, I got the vet in here, so videos coming soon on it. Appreciate you watching.